Hi everyone, I am Ariel with Ariel Paints. Welcome back to my channel. Today I get to do something really fun. I get to do a giveaway with one of the Arteza face painting kits. So one of my lucky subscribers is going to win this kit and I'm really excited for you guys. So in order to win this kit, this is what I need you to do. I need you to make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Go and subscribe to Arteza's YouTube channel and go follow them on Instagram. Once you've done that, comment down below and tell me how you would use this face painting kit if you won it. So pretty simple. Go follow Arteza's sites, which I will link below, their YouTube and their Instagram, and then tell me in the comments down below how you're going to use this kit for Halloween, birthday, whatever it's going to be, maybe a special design you have, I want to know. Then from those comments, I will randomly pick a winner. One note is that Arteza can currently ship this to anyone in the US or in Europe. So right now it's going to be restricted to that, but I think in the future I'll be able to do some other contests where it will not be as restrictive. Also, I've mentioned in a few videos recently that I'm going to be holding more contests randomly. The contests I hold in the future are going to be restricted to people that comment in the first 24 hours. So you're going to have to hit that bell if you want to be one of the first people that comments, because those are the people I'm going to pick from to get the palette. So do hit the bell. However, this is my first giveaway on the channel and I don't want to be too restrictive about it. So I'm going to give it 2 days in order to give everyone a fair shot, in order to get somebody this palette quickly, because I think it would be really great for Halloween. So I really want to get it out to a lucky winner. So hopefully that all makes sense. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. You guys know how to find me. Message me on Facebook, comment down below and ask me a question. I'm very responsive. I try to answer everyone. So let me know if you have questions. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are excited for more giveaways. And I want to thank you guys for watching. My channel's almost at 4,000 subscribers. I remember when I had 4 subscribers. So that's really amazing to me. I appreciate all of you guys. I hope those first 4 subscribers are still watching too. Let me know if you were one of the first couple subscribers I had. So thanks so much for being part of this wonderful face painting community with me. Thank you, Arteza, for giving away one of these awesome kits. I will link the video and full review of the Arteza palette above in a card here too. So if you didn't see that, you can go check it out. But I guarantee you, you will like it. I've really enjoyed using it. So go do those 3 things. Comment down below and win this cool palette. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video soon.